So where does corporate governance come from? I think of corporate governance as really coming from an amalgam of state corporate law, federal securities law, and best practice standards that are promulgated by a range of private organizations, the stock exchanges, NACD, Business Roundtable, just for some examples. So first of all corporations are creatures of state law. They're created under state law, and state law imposes fiduciary duties on corporate officers and directors, and these fiduciary duties can be enforced by shareholders in class action or derivative litigation. And then corporate law also gives shareholders voting rights. They have the right to elect directors, and they also have the right to vote on certain fundamental corporate transactions, mergers, acquisitions, changes to the charter, or dissolution. And then on top of, sort of layered on top of these corporate law rules are federal securities laws. So the SEC, of course, provides disclosure rules, and that again helps ensure that investors are informed when they're buying or selling securities and when they're voting their shares. And then the SEC has proxy rules which govern the conduct of shareholder meetings, and that really ensures that there are mechanisms, effective mechanisms for shareholders to express their voice on important corporate matters and also stakeholder concerns.